if you are seeing the SS02 error code on Snapchat, it usually means that your account has been temporarily locked or flagged due to suspicious activity, possibly because of using third party apps, violating guidelines, or logging in too many times unsuccessfully. To fix this, start by installing any third party apps or plugins connected to Snapchat, like Snapchat Plus Plus, Phantom, or unauthorized login trackers. These violate Snapchat's policies and can trigger SS0 errors. So, as soon as possible, uninstall these apps. Next, open your browser and visit Snapchat's unlock page. Log in and follow the on-screen steps to unlock your account if eligible. After that, uninstall Snapchat. Then restart your phone and reinstall the app from the Play Store to clear any app glitches or stored corrupted cache. Log in using only the official app. Avoid VPNs or proxies that can flag your IP address. If you are still locked out or seeing the SS02 error, contact Snapchat support through the app or website and explain your issue in detail, ensuring you are not violating their terms. In the future, avoid logging in too frequently from multiple devices and steer clear of unofficial apps to prevent the SS02 error from returning. That's all for today. So, if this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button.